Hey everybody, welcome back to the Traveling to Sea channel, and here are our top 5 attractions near the Gulfport beaches. We love to travel, love to share. Traveling is great on land, sea, and air. Come with us as we go and see together how much better our traveling can be. 4 thumbs up for the attractions in Gulfport, Mississippi, on the beautiful Mississippi Gulf Coast. The Gulfport beaches extend along Highway 90, and you can see we got beach casinos, golf courses, fishing charters, and Gulfport attractions, our top 5. So stay tuned and see. These are our top 5 attractions near the Gulfport beaches. We're focusing on the attractions near the Gulfport beach for this video. We've got future videos and other videos that cover Gulfport, Biloxi, and other venues along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So check out the channel and see what you can see. And these are not necessarily the TripAdvisor top 5 nor Yelp. We don't get any compensation for promoting attractions that we frequently enjoy. These are our picks. Hope they're useful to you. First, we start with Gulfport tourism. You know, Gulfport is the second largest city in the state of Mississippi. And here at gulfcoast.org, they've got lodging, a list of different lodgings as you can see, and shoppings and restaurants, and they have their own list of things to do there. Let's start with the Gulfport Beach. Gulfport Beach is one of the best beach towns in America, right along the Gulf Coast. It's unobstructed views and beautiful Gulfport Harbor and Ship Island Beach. You can take a Ship Island excursion out to that beach, and we'll talk more about that here. We also have a couple casinos here in Gulfport. We've got Island View Casino and Beach View Casino. And we've got another video that covers all of the Mississippi Gulf Coast casinos, including the Island View properties. So you can check those out. Gulfport Golf. There are 3 golf courses in Gulfport, and as well as a bunch around the area, as you can see. So if you go to golflink.com, you can see all of these different golf courses that are within 20 miles of Gulfport. Some of them are excellent. Fallen Oak. There's been several PGA tournaments at Fallen Oak. All right, fishing charters. Yes, we do have fishing charters. And if you go to fishingbooker.com, you can see they've got 59 different fishing charters in Gulfport alone. All right, these are our top 5 attractions. Let's go. And starting with number 1 is Ocean Adventures Marine Park. Ocean Adventures Marine Park. This is an awesome facility. It's located in Dolphin Lane in Gulfport, as you can see there. And Ocean Adventures Marine Park is Institute of Marine Mammal Studies. It's a nonprofit organization established in 1984 for the purposes of public education, conservation, and research on marine mammals and sea turtles in the wild and under human care. And The marine park is open to the public year-round. Reservations are not required. It's open 7 days a week from 9 to 4. All admission and interactive program proceeds go towards their conservation efforts. And it's a fun place for the kids. It's hands-on, but it's also educational, and they've got summer camps and all kinds of things there. This is a great place to go. My grandkids loved it. Number 2, Mississippi Aquarium. The Mississippi Aquarium, as you can see, is right in Gulfport, right across from Gulfport Harbor. And the Mississippi Aquarium tells the incredible story of all Mississippi aquatic resources from the delta to the coastline, and remarkable connection that ties all the state's natural resources uniquely together, featuring the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico and beyond, the roaring waters of the mighty Mississippi River, and wetlands and marshes of the tranquil bayous. The story of the Mississippi natural resources has never been told in this extraordinary way. The aquarium understands that living in Mississippi is about the outdoor experience and the relationships of its people. The Mississippi Aquarium represents education, conservation, and community. The aquarium provides visitors many opportunities to be entertained and fully immersed in the aquatic wonders Mississippi has to offer. They have got huge fish tanks, biggest fish tanks I've ever seen anywhere. They've got dolphins, they've got turtles, but they've also got alligators and things along the coast. It's a lot of fun, a great place to come and visit the Mississippi Aquarium. Number 2. Number 3 is the Ship Island Excursions. Ship Island Excursions is based in Gulfport Harbor, and they leave and go out to Ship Island and return several times a day. Relaxation, recreation, and history. These are the gifts offered to you on the Ship Island. Here in the north central Gulf of Mexico, about 11 miles off of the Mississippi coast, are some of the last undeveloped barrier islands in America, part of the Gulf Islands National Seashore and protected by the U.S. Park Service. These exquisite sand islands offer visitors the first high-quality beaches for swimming and shelling east of New Orleans. Travel to a special place where attractions include outstanding beaches, beautiful water, clean Gulf air. Locals and visitors consistently rate the 22-mile round trip to Ship Island as the coast's premier beach experience. Visit historic Fort Massachusetts on your own, or on a park ranger guided tour offered after passenger ferries dock at the West Ship Island Pier. Hey, check out our video on the Ship Island excursion. It is an awesome experience. It truly is. Now, number 4 is the Lynn Meadows Discovery Center. Lynn Meadows Discovery Center, you can see, is on Dolan Avenue, not far off the beach. And Lynn Meadows Center is more than a children's museum. It's a place where children and adults from every age can imagine, create, and have fun. Just off the beach in Gulfport sits a colorful old school building, whimsical and welcoming, awaiting children to come and play. It's Lynn Meadows Discovery Center, Mississippi's original children's museum, and so much more. Follow the path through the towering live oaks. Enter the bright blue door and get ready for an incredible family adventure. Rising through the center of the facility is the super colossal climbing structure that acts as an axis for the other exhibits and lets children reach for the stars. On the bottom floor, let the little ones loose in the Bear Camp Bayou, a special place just for them to hop around, and aboard a train at Dolan Avenue Depot. This is so much fun for the kids. It's really for kids, I'd say 10 years old and younger, but it's a blast. We've taken all of our grandkids there several times when they were younger. They just have a blast. They really, really do, and you have a blast with them. So don't miss it, and check out our video on the Lynn Meadows Discovery Center. Number 5 is the Mississippi Coast Model Railroad Museum. The Mississippi Coast Model Railroad Museum is on Pass Road in Gulfport. You can see there on the map. And we are a model railroad club and museum with over 200 years of railroad history, dedicated to bringing the spirit of the American Railroad back to life. We're located at 522 Pass Road, Gulfport. Hours of operation are 12 to 5, Wednesday through Sunday. We do offer birthday parties along with private parties. The museum is home of the largest Lego railroad display in Mississippi with over 2 million pieces. Multiple scale model railroad layouts, elevated and ground level G-scale trains, interactive layouts for kids to operate and enjoy, outdoor gardening displays, multiple riding trains. There are so many fun themed outdoor railroad displays to enjoy, like Jurassic Park and Futurama. Follow us on Facebook and come visit us. Well, let me tell you, this is another one my grandkids thoroughly enjoyed. They also, at Christmas time, they decorate for Christmas big time. So check out our video on the Christmas decorations and check out the Model Railroad Museum. All right, now we do have some honorable mentions. Number 6 is the Gulf Islands Water Park. And the Gulf Island Water Park, as you can see, TripAdvisor rates them as number 8 of things to do. Here's their website. You can check it out. A lot of fun. Number 7, the Mississippi Aviation Heritage Museum. This is quite a museum here as well. You can see it's number 3 on TripAdvisor, and here's their website, and you can check it out. There's just a lot of aviation history there. And number 8, Jones Park, right in the Gulfport Harbor, and it's a wonderful park, and they've got 319 marina slips and a promenade walk around them, a pavilion, educational plaza, splash pads for the kids, an amphitheater, and a walking track and bait shop. At Christmas time, they have an awesome display there, and we've got a video on that you can check out. So that is our view of the attractions in Gulfport Beach. Check out all these attractions. Hope this video was useful to you. Our top 5 attractions near the Gulfport beaches: Biloxi, Mississippi, 4 thumbs up, and there's so much to see and do on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. We've covered Biloxi attractions and Gulfport attractions, and we will cover other communities on the Gulf Coast as well. So like and subscribe and comment below. What are your thoughts? Have you been to any of these attractions? Have your kids liked it? Have you liked it? What else would you like to see on the channel? Let us know. Keep traveling, and we'll see you in future videos.